Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the world of talking avatars and I am excited to show you how to create one using only your smartphone. If you've ever dreamed of making your own animated character that speaks and moves just like me, this tutorial is for you. Sit back, relax and let's get started. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome videos like this one. You will need to download the Viddo app from Play Store. After downloading it, you install the Viddo app. After installing it, it will take you to this icon where you can see the template, the create and the studio icon. So if you want to choose any template, you can choose any template and use from it. If you don't want to use their template, you can use your own photo to make the talking avatar. So you can see this box where it's written, please fill in the content first, no less than 20 characters. This is where you are going to fill in the content you want the AI avatar to say. You can also see the blue AI icon below with a pen. You can click on that one to refurnish your write-up. So you can write anything you want the AI avatars to say. Mind you, you can also use this to tell story. You can use it to create content. You can also use it for your business advert. So you can also use it for motivational quotes to post on status and so on. So anything you wish the AI avatar to say, you just write it on this box. So let's use this write-up. Persistence, hard work and prayer are driving forces that propels us forward. So I want to use this icon, this AI icon. I'll click on the AI icon to refurnish my content. So let's see. When you click on it, it will take you to this. Then you click on that generate content. Can you see? These factors are foundation of success and achievement. So they've refurnished the content for me. Then you click on apply. If it's okay for you, if it's not okay for you, you can edit it. But if it's okay for you, just click on the apply icon. So next, you change the image. You can use their image. You can also change your image. Then this is the aspect ratio, 16.9, 1.9 and 9.6, which is the YouTube, the Facebook and the Instagram. Anyone you wish to use. So I'll use the YouTube. So these are the faces that have been provided for you. If you want to choose from them, if you don't want to choose from them, you can change your own picture. You click on that person icon, it will take you to gallery. Then you choose the image you want to use. So I've clicked on this image. This is the image I want to use. You click on it. Then there is provision for background. You can click on the background, any background you want. There's provision for background. If you don't want their background, you can change your own. You click on this, it will take you to gallery to change the background. So I would like to use their own background that is being provided. There are different backgrounds. There are the countryside, office, home and so on. So I'm going to choose the office background. So you click on the office background, choose anyone you wish to use. You click on it. Can you see it? You can also drag it to the left, right to adjust it to your desirable position. You can also click on the person to drag it left and right to position it to the way you like it to be. So we are going to the audio setting. So these are the voices inputs that are available for you. You can change the language. So I'm going to use English language. So there are also varieties of voices that are available. We have the different voices. Look at, we have the Sarah, Tony is a male, Roger is a male, Sarah is a female. So anyone you wish to use, if it is a male character or a female character, you can use it. So let's go to style. We have the upbeat, angry, as depressed, embarrassed, fearful, gentle, and so on. Anyone you wish to use, any style of voice you wish to use, they are also available for you. You can choose them. So let's see, which one are we going to use? Let's use the calm voice. So you click on the play icon to preview it and see if there is no mistake.
Hard work is essential to gaining skills, knowledge, and experience. And prayer provides guidance, strength, and a sense of purpose. When we combine persistence, hard work, and prayer.
Perfect. Now, you can also use your voice to make the talking avatar. Below this AI audio, you see the voice input. You can click on it to record your voice. After recording your voice, you can click on the create icon and wait for it to generate your video. This is the final outcome.
These factors are the foundation of success and achievement. Without persistence, it's easy to give up when faced with challenges and
Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.